What's up, guys? I often get asked why I switched from a second gen to a first gen column, and here's a video kind of explaining the ins and outs of it. Right here, you got your first gen column, and here's your second gen column next to it. The mounting points are pretty much the same. There's two bolts that you will hook up there. Then you get your pigtail. Major difference is where they mount on the firewall. Here's your first gen mounting points, and your second gen. You just have two. And what I did there was cut it off and grind it down smooth. And then what you're going to do for the second gen is harvest your mount right there. Just cut off wheel or whichever you can do to cut that off. And here's my modified first gen column for the second gen. Mounts exactly where your second gen would be. Then got down there and put it through the firewall, mounted it all up, tightened it up, marked off where your collar will be, and then welded it. You're going to have to shave a little off under there, but no big deal. So the reason why I went with that was the second gen, there's all the wires. It's definitely not compatible with the Speedway or Painless kits. Here's one of your pigtails that you'll need to use off the first gen column. There are two ignition and power pigtails that you'll need to be using, and those are on the harness and they connect right there, and then you'll have another one that connects on the side. Your longer one, there's a male connector for it as well. And there's my truck that's getting a 355 put in it, and this one's getting a 383 stroker, and he's using the Speedway. I happen to use the Painless, but they're pretty much the same harness. So what you're going to see is these two connectors right here, your hot, your ignition, etc. Those are the ones that plug right into the column. And then the other one, that's your turn signals, your headlights, etc. And that plugs right into the harness. The reason that we all switched to the first gen columns was because it's incredibly simpler, and you can, wire it yourself differently, but this was the easiest solution to the problems that we were having.